benzoic acid has been used as a feed preservative in human food for decades because of its antifungal and antibacterial properties. It's used in swine feed because it's an organic acid, so it helps reduce the pH and supports a very diverse microflora in those early nursery pigs' gastrointestinal tract. So VevoVitall is an ultra-pure benzoic acid that works throughout the GI tract, not just in one section, but throughout. And is very important for nutrient digestibility and also supports that microflora that's beneficial for those early nursery diets. It also helps improve feed intake, which is a very critical metric in those early wean pigs. So VevoVitall is beneficial in those early nursery diets because pigs are going through a lot of changes. First, they're going from a milk diet to a solid diet. They're also having that separation from mom and their litter mates, and so going through the stress of weaning. And so VevoVitall helps with that early adaptation, helps keep the GI tract balanced and keeps that flora balanced, and so that they can maintain their level of digestibility and performance early in the nursery. Conversations that lead to the recommendation of using VevoVitall in those early nursery diets would be when customers talk about, reduced growth rates after weaning, poor, there's enteric challenge, poor growth and scouring post-weaning. Organic acids have a great place in those diets, particularly VevoVitall because of its track record here in North America.
Utilization of feed additives, such as our VevoVitall or our ultra-pure form of benzoic acid, can be a really useful way to help be proactive in that weaning stage of life for these young animals. This helps to regulate their digestive tract so that they are less susceptible to some of the challenges in their environment, as well as helping to aid their immune response when they do get in contact with situations in their environment that would make them challenged.
So VevoVitall has been used especially in those early nursery diets because of that change in the microflora and E. coli problems that ensue into that dysbiosis at weaning. And so we've had a lot of customers that have put that organic acid in place and saw a benefit in reduction in scour scores and even improvement in feed intake and growth in those early nursery phases, which is very rare in wean pigs. So we have a lot of European data with VevoVitall. It's been around much longer in Europe, but since it's been in the States, we've done 10 different trials that have all shown benefits for average daily gain, feed intake, and supporting that microflora that's promotive for those young pigs.
So the customers that I work with, mostly in the Eastern Corn Belt, have found great success with the utilization of VevoVitall in their diets, not only from a feed acidifier standpoint in those young animals, but also as a feed mitigant from a risk management standpoint for their operations in the biosecurity measures to make sure that the products that they're bringing into their farms have the best opportunity to be safe as a safe ingredient for their business. Preparation is key. We're talking about adaptive nutrition, and that's exactly what this product offers from through the ultra-pure form of benzoic acid. It helps to regulate the gut health in a very immature digestive tract of a young pig, as well as allowing for the opportunity to really enhance and develop from a feed biosecurity standpoint.